Hi guys, this is example 3. Going to be kind of a quick one just because it's in a different format. But we have um, a tank here, a metal tank that we want to find the weight of. Somehow my picture got turned around. This has got a 10-meter diameter and a 14-meter height. And so we need to figure out the surface area of this. And so we're going to assume that there is a bottom to it. There's metal on the bottom, but there's no metal in the middle. So what we need to do here is kind of break it down into the parts. We need the surface area of this half a sphere. This is a hemisphere. And we're going to get that from the back of our book. Then we need the lateral area. Remember, the lateral area is just the side of a cylinder. That's what LA is for, lateral area. Then we need the area of this circle down here. Okay, so those are all the parts, and we only have one circle, not two circles. Okay, so that will give us all of our tanks. So when we find that surface area, then we'll be good to go. So the hemisphere, if we look at our formula in the back of the book, we'll see a sphere formula here. There it is right there. The surface area is 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared is a whole sphere. We only need a half a sphere. So we're going to do a half of pi r squared, 4 pi r squared. Okay, 4 pi r squared is the surface area. We're just going to do half of that. A half times 4 times pi times the radius, which we're told that the diameter here is 10, so the radius has got to be 5. So there's our hemisphere. We need the lateral area. Now the lateral area, hopefully you have this marked in your book that this is the lateral area. Okay, and this part is the bases. So we got the bases and we got the lateral area. So the lateral area is just the sides. Okay, so we need the sides of it. Here we go. The sides of this would be 2 pi RH. So 2 times pi times radius, which is 5, times the height of 14. And then we need this circle down there, pi r squared, pi times 5 squared. And that gives us all the parts. Okay, and then we're just going to compute that. This comes out to be 2 times pi times 25, which is going to be 50 pi. And we're going to add all this up here. Combine all those, we've got 215 pi, which is 675.4 square meters. Okay, now this is a metal tank, so it's empty, but we've got to find the weight of that metal. Going to the back of the book, we got our 6 millimeter steel tank. So 6 millimeters gives us 47.1 kilograms per square meter. So 47.1 is the magic number there. Okay. And so we know that we've got 675.4 square meters. That's the surface area times 47.1. That's the number from the chart. Gives us 31,813 kilograms. Okay. And that's the idea. So we find the surface area, just the area of the metal all the way around. Break it up. Try to get in one formula here, so all the pieces and parts are here. Let the calculator do the work, and then in this case for the metal chart, we'll have to convert it at the end. All right. So that's how we find the weight of a tank. Now you can go try those problems in the book that look like this.